So how can you make edits to your cover letter in order to make sure that you can stand out and it doesn't sound too generic like everybody else applying for the position? So what you need to add to the beginning of your cover letter is what I like to call a hook statement, because we already know the formula that everybody else is going to utilize. They're going to say, I'm a great candidate for this position because A, B, C, D, and they're going to say sincerely or thank you or best, and they're going to give their name at the bottom. What you need to do is update yours with a hook statement in order for you to stand out to the hiring managers and recruiter. So let's say you were a patient coordinator for the last 10 years. You can say a hook statement that sounds like this. I've been a patient coordinator for the last 10 years, and I've increased patient satisfaction for over 25 by over 25%. I know how to be a strong leader under pressure. So that's how you're going to hook the hiring manager recruiter into you yourself as a candidate and not and help you stand out above every other candidate. And you may be asking, is a cover letter even relevant in 2025? And my answer to you as a hiring executive for the last decade is yes, it is going to help you stand out, because imagine over 100 people apply to the job. 20 people get invited to interview, and you're the only one person who did not provide a cover letter. That just means to the hiring manager or recruiter that you don't take it as seriously, or you're not as dedicated to that role as everybody else is. So it is required in 2025, especially if you're going for jobs in tough industries or tough environments in order to land a job, which right now it currently is, because it is an employer's market, which means you're going to have to work twice as hard a little bit or be more proactive in order to land your job. It's not impossible. You just need to do it. So you need to go into your cover letters with a strong hook statement. And if you need assistance on that, I am providing cover letters and resume revamps for only $100 currently. Those are currently 50% off as a service on my website. Go to legacycareersllc.com. If you are just simply looking for a resume template to help you, or a cover letter template to where you could plug and play your name in and you can do it yourself, those are on sale for also for 50% off for as low as $40. So take advantage of that today, because it's 2025 and it's time for you to land your dream career and help elevate your career. If you need anything else, Career Warriors, let me know. Peace.